Hey guys, it's Farnu Finance here and welcome to another video where I'll be showing you how to calculate your national insurance contribution for the tax year 2021 and 2022. So that's effective from the 6th of April 2021 all the way up until the 5th of April 2022, and these are the proposed tax rates, and I'll leave a link down in the description below for you to see them for yourself. So let's start with Class 1, National Insurance Contribution. And Class 1 National Insurance Contribution is paid by employees. It's for employees and employers. And you might hear it referred as primary Class 1 National Insurance Contribution, and that's what's incurred realised by employees, and then it's the secondary Class 1 National Insurance Contribution, and that is paid by employers. And I'll show you now how. Cool. So what we do is I'll just show you a graph. I'll just draw here. So the first threshold is the lower earnings limit. I'll put as LEL, and and I'll talk about per month rates. And that's at £520 per month. So no change since last year. So you have to be earning at least over £525. It's the amount of earning that allow an employee to qualify or for certain state benefits, such as pensions and a few others. So if we move on to the next threshold, and it's called PT, the primary threshold, and the new rate is £797 per month, and that is up £5 from last year. And so if you earn anything below £797 per month, you will not pay any national insurance contribution. Now, if we look at the rate above, this is called the upper earnings limit. We'll put as UEL. And this is £4,189. So if you earn per month £4,189, you'll be taxed at 12% for the amount you earn above £797 but below £4,189. Now let's say if you earn above the upper earnings limit of £4,189 per month, you'll pay tax, national insurance contribution at 2%. Now if we look at employers, and it's a lot more straightforward. So the limit it's called the secondary threshold, I'll put as ST, and the secondary threshold is £737 per month. So anything below this, your employees will pay 0%, and anything above this rate, your employers will pay a flat rate of 13.8%. Cool, so that was in a Class 1 National Insurance Contribution. Now let's cover Class 2 National Insurance Contribution. And Class 2 National Insurance Contribution is typically paid by the self-employed, along with Class 4, which I'll cover shortly. And this is paid on profit, and this is determined on profit rather. So Class 2 National Insurance Contribution works, I'll just do a graph just so you can visualize it. So the threshold this year is 6,515, and this is per year, and this is profit. So per year, if your profit is greater than £6,515, you'll be required to pay a per week expense of £3.05. £300 would have been a bit ridiculous. So £3.05 per week, and anything below £6,515 of profit is at £0. So let's say in the year you earn £8,000 worth of profit for the full year, then you'd have to pay £3.05 times 52 weeks to work out your Class 2 National Insurance Contribution. Now, Class 4 National Insurance Contribution. You might be wondering, where's Class 3 gone, Farnu? But don't worry, I'll cover that after this. And this is Class 4 National Insurance contribution is also incurred by the self-employed. So Class 2 and Class 4 go hand in hand for self-employed people. So if I just show you my graph again here. So there's a lower profit limit threshold, LPL, and that amount is at 9,568 for the next tax year, for 2021 to 2022. Anything below this amount is taxed at 0%. And now the upper profit limit, put as UPL, for this year is £50,270. And the tax rate remains the same as last year at 9%. And it's important to note that these are per year figures. And anything above £50,270 per year, you will be paying tax at 2%. Cool, so anything below £9,568, 0%. Anything between £50,270 and £9,568, you'll be paying at 9%. And if you exceed £50,270, anything in excess of that amount will be taxed at 2%. Now, if we look at Class 3 National Insurance contribution. Class 3 National Insurance contribution is paid it's voluntary, I'll make that known first. And it is at £15.40 per week. And this is a voluntary payment to fill or avoid gaps in the record. It's to fill any gaps that may exist in a person's national insurance contribution record. And if you wish to see whether this is applicable to you, you should access your personal tax account to see whether any gaps exist and whether you're eligible to pay any voluntary contributions to fill those gaps. So it's important to remember that this is for the 2021-2022 tax year. And these are the updated thresholds relevant to that tax year. So hopefully this helps you have an understanding of how national insurance contribution works and what the thresholds are and whether they're applicable to you or not. In my next video, I'll go through an example of Class 1 national insurance contribution and an example of Class 2 and Class 4 national insurance contribution and how to use them in practice. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below. And if this video helped you, I will really appreciate it if you can just drop a like as well. Thank you very much. See you next time.